With J55, we've brought most of the capabilities of our larger platform to a much smaller, much more affordable platform, without sacrificing quality and without sacrificing overall build volume. You're still able to print fairly large and robust models and iterative smaller models very easily on this printer without taking up a lot of space in your office environment. What excites me for our customers is that this is going to be something that's easy to operate. It's going to be something that intuitively you're going to be able to walk up to and go, yep, I can figure out how to work this without a ton of training input. This will make it a better setup for designers where you're going to have multiple users coming in and operating the machine. It doesn't require intensive training for each operator to come in. Should make things very simple for them to run the machine on a day in and day out basis. The J55 is revolutionary, not just evolutionary.